pet's noises, cracking joints, the ice maker, thunder, ticking clock, howling animals, the wind, teapot whistling, mice in the walls, a running faucet, a screaming bobcat, a bird hitting the window, a doorbell, a gate closing, a squeaky swingset, snapping twigs and branches, a Furby reactivating itself, a piano, radio static, humming noises, singing, TV turning on, a creaky door, knocking at the door, an inexplicable baby's cry, footsteps, someone saying your name, a child's laughter when you have no children.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.